my lap, on my lap, there is a cup. On my lap, there is a map. I put on my cap and put down my map. Now it's time to take a nap. Huh? Yun lang binabasa namin. Pam and Sam, Tam the ram likes to eat ham with Sam the ram who likes to eat jam. Sam the ram give jam to Pam and Pam the ram give ham to Sam. Pat the cat. Pat the cat was a very fat cat who sat on a mat in a big purple hat. When a big black rat ran by the mat, Pat the cat ran, then come back and sat. Bahat. We like to play. We made a little hut. We like to eat. We eat a brown nut. We want to stay. We want to, but Mom say it's time to come out.
Come
Out
out.
of the hut. A little bug. Do you like this little bug? He was here on the brown rug. Will you give this bug a hug, or will you put him in a jug?
Very good. Sige ito.
Yum yum, I like to have a little pink gum. When I have it, I say yum yum. I will ham and say yum yum when I can have a little pink gum. In the tub, I will have fun. In the tub, I will play with a little yellow sub. Time to get out. I put away my sub. I get out of the tub and get try rub. I run in the sun. I like to run. It is so fun. But I do not like to run in the hot sun. In the hot sun, I will not run. I will sit down and eat a good bun. A dog and a hog. The little brown dog and the big pink hog like to go out and play. They will go for a jog. The big pink hog, he will always jog, but the little brown dog will not jog in the fog. Ito, magkakapatid. Oh my God, unbelievable. Rob and Bob. Her is funny. Man named Bob. Bob was a job with a man named Rob. Rob the Bob. They like her job. They eat lots of corn. Dad on the job. Hop and mop. I like to hop and play with a top. I like to mop. I will mop And then Dot ran a lot. She got ever hot. Dot was too hot. So run she did not. Dot was so hot. She sat down on a cot. Dot take a nap. And then she was not hot. And then,
Pinawisan ka na. Sige na.
init eh.
Sige na.
Sid, I do not want to go. Sid, said Sid. Sid the kid ran and hid. You will have fun, said Mom to Sid. Sid the kid said, okay, and did. And then, ito, may dagso. Ang pangit ng baboy. Figs jig. Fig the pig can do a funny jig. Fig the pig will jig in a wig. She will do a big jig. Then take off her wig. Now it is time for Fig to dig. Dig, dig. Diba? Dig. Keep out his lip. The talk a big sip. Keep can jump and move his hip. Keep was not he talk a deep. Then keep talk other sip. Other sip. Sip. And then ito. I can win. I want to win a big fat pin or a good thing made of tin. I can do it. I can win. I will win a pin or a thing made of tin.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good, di ba, John? Very good.
Mama, nandito ako.
Love you.
Love you. Nandito ako.
Tayo mo na. Ano na?